And this is just my highlight video of my first SCA steak competition. I'll go through some of the things that we've got to experience. Here you can see this is the cooks meeting. We had about 53 people that were entered. Shortly after that, you start the steak picking process. You draw a chip and your number. You go through the first time, and then the second time you go through, it's in reverse order. This was a double steak competition, so we got to do it twice. Soon after, we're here trimming the steak, getting all the steaks ready. We want to make sure that we have ample time and everything looks good. Take a quick peek here and see what the steaks look like after they came out after being trimmed. This is before seasoning. Here you can see I'm using an Oklahoma Joe Rambler. I really like this unit a lot. This is our setup, and as you can see, everybody pretty much has a pop-up tent and is ready to start their cook. So I cook my steaks at 1 minute and 15 seconds per turn, and there's 4 turns in my cook. So for about 5 minutes, it is like a NASCAR pit stop. Cleaning the grill, flipping it, buttering it, so forth. But this is how we do it, and it's a process, and I'm sure we'll continue to learn. Once you turn it in, you will get a coupon or a ticket. Don't lose the ticket. You see all kinds of different things, and everybody's great. They love sharing their ideas and what they do and so forth. So strongly encourage, don't be intimidated by these cook-offs. They're great people and very willing to help. So we're in the process of starting round 2. This is a double steak competition, like I said. So now we're getting ready to get the cooker back up to temp and making sure that everything's a go for the next 5 minutes. These are the steaks for round 2. As you can see, they're seasoned. They've been resting, bringing them up to room temperature. Make sure that we have our butter ready, and off to the races we go. This is round 2. Again, cooking these steaks is a lot of fun. The events are a lot of fun. I highly encourage it. Hey, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. And here is the final steak. Hope you like this video. Again, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we see you at an event sometime soon. Thank you.